In this video, I'm going to show you and tell you what kind of resources you have to follow for Prelims 2026 for polity subject, right? I will include governance part also, and I'll show you which chapters are important, which are not, based on the previous year questions analysis which we have made from last 15 years. Now, the first question is, should we read NCERTs? If so, which NCERTs? My answer would not be diplomatic here. No. I think if you are asking me for Prelims 2026, it is not the time to read the NCERTs. Generally, we suggest students to read these two NCERT, Political Theory and Indian Constitution at Work. But if you are preparing for 2027, if you have already read them, then revise them. If you are preparing for 27, then you should read them. But if you are preparing for 2026 prelims, you should not read them, because one question will come from this, let's say, that can be solved through this also, right? Based on the understanding, based on the logical understanding, based on the elimination, we can solve them. For one question, if you have to read these many pages of this book and this book, I don't think the cost benefit analysis is in the favor of you. So we can skip these two for the prelims 2026. Again, I am emphasizing, we can rely on this Laxmikant. This is the 4th edition. You can take latest edition, and for example, I used to follow this. This is my book. Here you see that everything is marked properly, right? And if you see the compare, the same content is there. For example, here the index, if you see the theory, political theory, freedom, equality, social justice, rights, citizenship, nationalism, and secularism. If you see, these terms are mentioned in the preamble. These are the keywords. So in our crash course also, we are taking the keywords from the preamble and trying to tell them. Similarly, this keyword explanation are there in the Laxmikant also. So you don't need to read this. If you have get the clarity there, you can solve those questions. Similarly, here also, Constitution at Work, you see that these judiciary, legislature, executive, federalism, these all concepts are already there in Laxmikant. So separate reading is not required for these NCERTs. You can rely for these prelims on this Laxmikant book, any edition. If you have updated them, then it's okay. You can take, if you are starting, you can take the new one. If not, then this one is also enough. Okay, so this is going to be the my take. If you want the mentorship on the prelims 2026, you can approach our contacts, which is there in the description box. You can get our mentorship. We are providing the personal mentorship along with the crash course, also available for the prelims, including the test series, that is a Patham for prelims. So all solutions related to the prelims 2026 is available at the Sarat Chandra IAS Academy. Thank you.